Namaskar dosto, welcome back to Ajay Astro Money Guru. I'm Neena, and today we're diving deep into the latest movements in the pepper market. We've seen some significant activity, so let's break it down. Recently, domestic black pepper prices experienced a notable slip, dropping by 200 rupees per quintal from a 7-year peak. This correction, a 100 rupees decrease each on Saturday and Monday, comes after a rapid price surge over the past 10 to 12 sessions. However, it's important to note that despite these high prices, buying activity has remained relatively subdued. Let's talk about arrivals. Today, we saw an increase to 24.5 tons, up from 21 tons in the previous session. However, traders are highlighting that overall arrivals are still significantly lower compared to last year. This is largely due to farmers holding back their stocks, anticipating a smaller crop. Trade estimates suggest a 10 to 15% drop in production, which translates to a reduction of approximately 60,000 tons. Looking at specific market prices, in Kochi, ungarbled pepper is quoted at 68,700 rupees per quintal, garbled at 70,700 rupees, and the 500 GL variety at 67,700 rupees. In Karnataka, prices are ranging from 68,500 rupees to 70,800 rupees in Kushalnagar, and from 68,500 rupees to 70,900 rupees in Chikmagalur. Now, let's shift our focus to Vietnam. Vietnamese pepper prices have remained steady for the second consecutive session, with rates between 160,000 Vietnamese dongs and 161,500 per kilogram, marking an 8-year high. As harvesting peaks in several regions, we expect to see increased supply in the coming days. Finally, let's look at FOB export prices. These have remained unchanged across various origins. Currently, Brazil Asta is quoted at $6,900 per metric ton, Vietnam 500 GL at $7,100, Vietnam 550 GL at $7,300, Indonesia Asta at $7,255, and Malaysia at 9,800 Malaysian ringgit per metric ton. So, to summarize, we are seeing a slight correction in domestic pepper prices after a significant surge, with farmers holding back stocks due to expected lower yields. Meanwhile, global demand remains robust, keeping international prices firm. Keep an eye on the arrival numbers and how the Vietnamese harvest progresses. This will play a key role in future price movements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ajay Astro Money Guru for more in-depth commodity analysis. And as always, trade wisely. Dhanyavad.